Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Valerie again with amazing content as usual. So I have been doing something called the Afro Talk Thursday. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. My handle is just here. And Afro Talk Thursday is basically about how we can incorporate natural products fresh from the farm direct to our Afro crowns. So that is basically what Afro Talk Thursday is. And last week's Afro Talk Thursday was about carrots. And today I'm going to show you how we can incorporate carrots into our hair. I'll be using carrot juice as a Prepoo. I'll be using carrot juice as a Prepoo. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to head straight into the kitchen and show you how I prepare that juice. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just hit that subscription button down there. That red thing written subscribe, hit it. And hit the bell aside it. Let the bell turn black so that every time I'm posting a video, you're notified by YouTube. Ciao guys, let's head to the kitchen. Hi guys, so we're in the kitchen as I had said. I have my grater, my dish, my carrots and a blender here. So I'm going to grate these carrots because I want them grated. You don't want to use them whole in a blender. You're going to block your mortar. So let's grate them. So guys, I have my freshly grated carrots. These are 2 carrots. One was big, the other one was small. Then I have my blender here and I have a cup of water that I'm going to add. So I'll add my carrots into the blender. Yeah, like that. Then I'll add this water till maybe the 600 mark. Yeah, let me get some more water. That's enough. So that's it. I think I should add some oils, but it's okay, that's enough. Then I'll seal off the blender.
Excuse me, are you a dog walker?
There.
I used to be.
Then we switch it on. So that's enough. Our juice is ready, our carrot juice is ready. Remember, don't always remove the jug before you switch off the power. So we switch off the power and unplug, then we twist it open. So guys, we have our blended carrot juice. Let me just give you a close-up look. That's how it looks. So I'm going to sieve off the carrot and just remain with the juice. So I have my sieve here. Oh, lovely. I love this. So I'll sieve it off. Just get a spoon to squeeze it down, squeeze the carrots. You can use this on your face, by the way. It's nice for your face because you know carrots have a lot of vitamin C and vitamin A. You remember how you were told to use carrots for your eyesight? Yeah? So I'll just put this in the dustbin. Just let me place them here first. Then I do another one. So there. There you have it. Just squeeze off the juice.
He stole a dog.
There. So we have our juice here, as you can see. I'm going to put it in a spritz bottle, then we will apply it on our hair. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, we are back at the shooting station, and are you guys ready to see the mess that is underneath this bonnet? Please don't judge me. I've been having a few rough days. Yeah. So please don't judge me. But you can see the curls at the top. So we have our carrot juice here. So let's spray it in our hair. My spritz bottle actually has spoiled, so it's going to be quite a struggle. But let's just do it all round. Ensure that carrot gets in there. There. I'll spare some of this carrot juice for future purposes. I think I'll be using it every now and then as a Prepoo, so I'll just spare it into the fridge for future purposes because it's quite a lot and I don't want to waste it off. So yeah. So there we have our Prepoo, guys. I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes, then I'll begin my wash day. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hi lovelies, it has been almost past an hour. I had to run some errands. I put a heat cap on, then I also put a polythene paper on to seal in the heat that is coming off from my body. And yeah, there we have it. That's what it looks like after I've stayed for like over 1 hour. You can see Huku looks kind of white. So I'm going to continue with my wash day, and I also talked about the benefits of carrots. Check out in the description box. I have written them there. Read them and kindly go ahead and check my Instagram page. I'll also leave a link to it down here so that you can go and follow my Afro Talk Thursdays every now and then. And that is it, guys. I really like how it's fluff. You know, the main reason why do we pre-poo? We pre-poo so that, you know, shampoos usually take away a lot of moisture from your hair. So once you do the pre-pooing, it enables you to at least save some moisture. So that's why I usually pre-poo. I've saved some in the fridge for next time. And yeah, that's it, guys. So I'm going to proceed with my wash day. I'll be using this the Cantu shampoo together with the Mikala conditioner, and then I'm going to deep treat with avocado. So you'll check out another video on how I make the avocado mask. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Kindly hit that red subscription button down below and hit the bell aside it till it turns black, because once it's black, it will enable you to be notified by YouTube every time I post a video. And yeah, that's it, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.